Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you things that mean a lot to her. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. 1. Communication. A girlfriend wants her partner to listen to and comprehend her. This is paying attention when she speaks, demonstrating empathy and understanding, and being open and truthful with her on your feelings and thoughts. The capacity for healthy and effective conflict resolution is a component of communication. A girlfriend feels more confident and connected in the relationship when she believes she can communicate with her spouse successfully. 2. Quality time. A girlfriend wants to spend time with her boyfriend, whether they are engaging in physical activity together or just relaxing and chatting. This entails making an effort to create time for one another and avoiding being bogged down by other commitments or distractions. It also entails being engaged and present during the limited amount of time you do have together rather than distracted by your phone or other activities. A girlfriend's sense of importance in her partner's life and their commitment to one another strengthens their relationship. 3. Value and support. A girlfriend wants to feel that her partner values and supports her. This entails letting her know that you value her personally and are appreciative of the things she accomplishes. It also entails encouraging her to pursue her ambitions, whether they have to do with her profession, pastimes, or personal development. A girlfriend's confidence and sense of security in the relationship are increased when she perceives her partner as being there to support her. Additionally, it's critical for a girlfriend to experience security and trust in the relationship. Over time, trust develops and is essential to a happy partnership. Both spouses must be trustworthy and dependable since trust is a two-way street. Being trustworthy requires being open and truthful with your actions, words, and thoughts. Another important aspect of a partnership is security. A girlfriend wants to feel secure and guarded around her lover. This can be shown by being there for her when she needs you, by giving her a sense of safety and comfort, and by keeping an eye out for her. A girlfriend values affection very highly as well. Physical contact and emotional ties are both components of affection. Holding hands, embracing, and kissing are all examples of physical touch. Understanding her emotions, expressing your own emotions, and being emotionally available are all parts of emotional connection. So thanks for watching. And if you are new, please make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications just so every time I upload you won't miss anything.